हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, चैप्टर 12 एरिया रिलेटेड सर्कल। स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी सुविधा के लिए मेरा नंबर, मेरी मेल आईडी आपकी स्क्रीन पर दी गई है। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स आज की क्लास। और आज की क्लास एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर एंड सेगमेंट ऑफ द सर्कल। हियर इज द मेजर सेक्टर, दिस इज द माइनर सेक्टर, दिस इज द मेजर segment and minor segment. Remark, when the right segment and sector we will be mean the minor segment and minor sector respectively unless state otherwise. When the degree measure of the angle of the center is 360, area of the sector is equal to pi r square. When the degree measure of the angle of the center is 1, area of the sector is pi r square upon 360. Therefore, when the degree measure of the angle at the center is theta, area of the sector is equal to pi r square theta upon 360 is equal to theta upon 360 minus pi r square. Thus, we obtained the following relation or formula of the area of the sector of the theta angle, that is the pi r square theta upon 360 degree. So, students, now a naturally question arises: can we find the length of the APB corresponding to this sector? Yes, again by applying the unitary method and take the whole length of the circle is angle 360 2 pi r, we can obtain the required length of the arc APB r 2 pi r theta upon 360. The length of the arc is 2 pi r theta upon 360. Area of segment is equal to APB, area of sector OAPB minus area of OAB pi r square theta upon 360 minus area of the triangle. And other word, here is the new identity, that is the pi r square theta upon 360 minus 1 by 2 r square sine theta. So students, applying this identity. Now students, question number 1, find the area of the sector of the circle, radius 6 centimeter, angle is theta degree, pi 22 upon 7, area of sector pi r square theta upon 360. The area of sector is equal to, here is the 132 upon 7 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of the sector is making 60 degree. Center of the circle is 132 upon 7 centimeter square. Now question number 2, find the area of the quadrant of the circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter using pi 22 upon 7, radius r, circumference 22, so r is equal to 11 upon pi. Quadrant of the circle will obtain 90 degree angle at the center of the circle. Area such quadrant of is equal to pi r square 90 upon 360, that is equal to 77 upon 8. Now students, question number 3, the length of the minute hand of the clock is the 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in a 5 minute using pi is equal to 22 upon 7. We know that the 1 hour there 60 minutes, the minute hand rotates 360 degree. In 5 minutes there is the 30 degree. Therefore, the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes will be the area of the sector of 30 in circle is 14 centimeter radius. Area of sector angle theta is equal to pi r square theta upon 360. Area angle 30 degree, that is equal to 154 upon 3 centimeter square. Now students, question number 4, the card of the circle radius 10 centimeters subtend a right angle at a center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment, measure segment. So area of measure segment OADP is equal to 360 minus 90 upon 360 into pi r square. So 270 upon 360 pi r square, that is equal to 235.5 centimeter square. Area of the minor sector ABCD is equal to 90 upon 360 into pi r square, that is equal to 78.5. Area of triangle OAB 1 by 2 into OA into OB 1 by 2 10 into 10, 50 centimeter square. So area of the minor segment ACB is equal to minor sector OACB minus area of triangle OAB, that is equal to 28.5 centimeter square. Question number 5, in the circle of radius 21 centimeter and arc subtended at angle 60 degree at a center, find the length of arc, area of sector formed by the arc, area of segment forced by the corresponding card. Using pi is equal to 22 upon 7, radius r is 21, angle theta 60 degree, area of sector pi r, area arc of the center sector is equal to pi r theta upon 360. Plus substituting the value, get 22 centimeter. Area of sector equal to pi r square theta upon 360. Theta is equal to 60 degree, r is equal to 21, that the 231 centimeter square. In triangle OAB equal to OBA, there OA equal to OB, and these two sum of the three triangle angle is equal to 180 degree. Angle OAB plus 60 equal to 180, OAB is equal to 60. Therefore, the triangle OAB is a equilateral triangle. Area of triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4 into side ka square, that is equal to 441 root 3 upon 4 centimeter square. Area of the segment ACB is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle, 231 minus 441 root 3 upon 4 centimeter square. Now students, question number 6. The chord of the circle radius 15 centimeters subtended at angle 60 at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment of the circle pi 3.14 root 3 1.73. Radius 15. Area of the sector pi r square theta upon 360, that is a 117.75 centimeter square. Triangle OPQ, angle OPQ equal to OQP. The angle sum property, 2 angle OPQ is equal to 120, OPQ is equal to 60. OPQ is equilateral triangle. Area of OPQ root 3 upon 4 into side square, that is the 97.3125 centimeter square. Area of the segment PRQ, area of the sector OPRQ minus area of OPQ is equal to 20.4375 centimeter square. Area of major segment equal to area of circle minus area of segment is, that is equal to, here is the 686.0625 centimeter square. Now student, question number 7. The chord of the circle of the radius 12 centimeters subtended angle 120 at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Pi value 3.14 root 3 1.73. Here there is the triangle. Here in triangle OBS, cos 60 OB upon OS, OB upon 12 equal to 1 upon 2, OB equal to 6. Sin 60 equal to SB upon SO root 3 upon 2. Here SB upon 12 equal to root 3 upon 2, SB equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. ST2 SB 2 into 6 root 3 12 root 3 centimeter. Area of OST 1 upon 2 ST into OB, that is equal to 62.28 centimeter square. Area of sector OSUT, here is the theta 120 degree, R is 12, substituting 150.72 centimeter square. Area of segment SUT, area of the sector OSUT, area of triangle OST 150.72 minus 62.28, 88.44. Now student, question number 8. A horse is tied to the peg at one corner of the square except grass field on the side 15 meter by the means of a 5 meter long rope. See in the given figure. Find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. The increase in the grazing area of the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter, using pi equal to 3.14. Area can be grazed by horse sector OACB 90 pi r square upon 360, that is a 19.625 meter square. Area that can be grazed by horse when the length of rope is 10 meter. So the area of sector is equal to, here is the r equal to 10, there is 78.5 meter square. Increase in grazing area 78.5 minus 19.625 meter square, that is equal to 58.875 meter square. Now students, question number 9. A brooch is made with the silver wire in the form of the circle with diameter 35 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in figure. Find the total length of the silver wire required. The area of the sector of the brooch हमें फाइंड करना है. यूज पाई 22. सबसे पहले स्टूडेंट्स, लेंथ ऑफ द डायमीटर 5 सेंटीमीटर, सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ ब्रूच रेडियस 35.2 mm, circumference of brooch 2 pi r, that is a 110 mm. Length of the wire required 110 plus 5 into 35, that is 285. It can be observed from the figure that each of the 10 sector of the circle is subtended 36 at the center of the circle. Therefore area of the sector equal to 36 pi r square upon 360, that is 385 upon 4 millimeter square. Question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced, and assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of the radius 45 centimeter, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Pi 22 upon 7. Using 8 ribs in the umbrella, there are between two consecutive ribs subtended 360 upon 8 45 degree. At the center, assume flat circle. Area between two consecutive 45 pi r square 360, that is equal to, here is the 22,275 upon 28 centimeter square. Question number 11. The car has a two wiper which do not overlap. Each wiper has blade of the length 25 centimeters sweeping through the angle 115, and find the total area of the cleaned at each swept of the blades. Pi 22 upon 7. It can be observed from the figure that each blade is wiped with the swept area of the sector 115 and circle is 25 radius. The area of the sector equal to 115.360 pi r square, r equal to 25. Get the 1,58,125.252 centimeter square. Area swept by the two blade 2 into 1,58,125 upon 252, that is the 1,58,125 upon 126 centimeter square. Question number 12. To warm seep of underwater rock or lighthouse spared road color light over a sector of the angle 80 degree, distance 16.5 kilometer. Find the area C over which the sweep wand pi is equal to 3.14. The area OACB is the sector 80 upon 360 pi r square. Substituting the value is 189.97 kilometer square. Question 13. The round table covered a 6 square design as shown in figure. The radius of the cover in 28 centimeter. Find the cost of the making design. The rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Root 3 equal to 1.7. Consider the segment APB. Chord AB is the side of the hexagon 360 upon 660. The center of the circle. OAB, angle OAB equal to OBA. OA equal to OB. AOB is equal to 60. OAB plus OBA plus AOB is equal to 180 degree. Now students, 2 angle OAB is equal to 120, OAB 60 degree has the equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle root 3 upon 4 into side square, that is equal to 196 into 1.7. Area of sector OAPB is equal to 60 upon 360 into pi r square, that is equal to 333.2 centimeter square. Area of APB is equal to area of sector OAPB minus area of OAB, 1232 upon 3 minus 333.2 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the design is equal to 6 into 1232 upon 3 minus 333.2 centimeter square. 2464 minus 1999.2. Here is the 464.8 centimeter square. Cost of 1 centimeter square design is equal to 0.35. Cost of making 464.76 centimeter square is equal to rupees 162.68. Now student, question number 4, tick the correct answer in the following. Area of the sector of angle P in degree, the circle with radius r is equal to A. We know that the area of sector equal to pi r square theta upon 360. The area is equal to P 360 into pi r square. So P 2 pi r square upon 720. D's answer is correct. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो। आपने बड़े ध्यान से हमारे इस वीडियो को देखा, इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। स्टूडेंट्स, इसी प्रकार से हमारी वीडियो को ध्यान से आप देखते रहें, अपने मन लगा कर पढ़ाई करते रहें। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट, बी हैप्पी।